Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Valeo is probably one of the most recognizable names in the automotive aftermarket, offering a vast array of parts and systems designed to keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely. From essential engine components and braking systems to advanced climate control and lighting solutions, Valeo is dedicated to providing high-quality, reliable products that meet or exceed original equipment standards, ensuring peace of mind for drivers and mechanics alike. Number 5. Valeo 849500 Premium Starter. Introducing the Valeo 849500 Premium Starter, built with 100% new components. This ensures increased durability and eliminates premature failure compared to remanufactured units. It is engineered to meet or exceed original equipment manufacturer specifications. This means you get reliable performance every time. Designed and tested to meet original equipment manufacturer standards, it guarantees optimal cranking performance. You can count on it to start your vehicle. This starter is designed for specific Kia and Hyundai models. It's a perfect fit for your Sorento, Sonata, Santa Fe, or Optima. The OE numbers are listed for your convenience. This ensures you are getting the correct part for your vehicle. The Valeo tech code for this starter is FS14N1. This helps in identifying the exact part number for your needs. What we like. This starter is built with 100% new components, ensuring greater durability than remanufactured options. It's engineered to meet or exceed OEM specifications for reliable cranking performance. If you're looking for a dependable replacement for your Kia or Hyundai, this is a solid choice. What people say. Exact replacement for my 2010 Hyundai Sonata. Smooth installation starts right up now. Bought this to replace the starter in my 2012 Kia Optima EX, fit perfectly. When it comes to a starter, I wanted OEM as I didn't want to get back under the car again anytime soon. Perfect fit and works great. Number 4. Valeo 439603 OEM Alternator for BMW X5 3.0L. Introducing the Valeo 439603 OEM Alternator, designed for your BMW X5 3.0L from 2007 to 2010. This is a brand new unit, not a remanufactured part. It's built with 100% new components and core. This ensures increased durability and puts an end to premature failures often seen in remanufactured units. Every part is application-specific, guaranteeing an exact fit for your vehicle. You can be confident it's designed precisely for your needs. Experience better efficiency thanks to premium rare earth magnets. These increase its output without increasing its overall size. It's engineered for high durability against heat, vibration, and contaminants. This helps maintain maximum charge output over time. What we like. This alternator is a 100% new unit, not remanufactured, offering superior longevity. Its premium rare earth magnets boost output efficiency without increasing size. If you need a high-performance, durable alternator for your BMW X5, this is the one to consider. What people say. Fit right in and works great, compatible with the car's electronics and IBS. This one is the one that works with 4-zone climate control. My car required 220 amp and this was the right match. Number 3. Valeo 52151203 Solid Flywheel Conversion Kit for Mini Cooper. Introducing the Valeo 52151203 Solid Flywheel Conversion Kit, designed for select Mini Cooper models from 2002 to 2008. It offers a straightforward installation, matching the time of dual-mass flywheel kits without needing special tools. Experience superior thermal resistance and comprehensive engine and gearbox protection with all new components. This kit ensures your vehicle's critical parts are safeguarded. Benefit from increased torque transfer efficiency thanks to its lightweight design. It also effectively reduces torsional stress on the crankshaft, leading to a smoother drive. Significantly lower your repair costs compared to traditional dual-mass flywheel kits. This conversion kit provides a more economical solution for maintenance. Everything you need is included in this comprehensive kit. It contains a rigid flywheel, damper disc, cover assembly, release bearing, and a centering tool for most popular applications. What we like. This solid flywheel conversion kit offers a cost-effective repair solution compared to dual-mass flywheel kits. It features all new components for better thermal resistance and protection. If you're looking to save on repair costs for your Mini Cooper while ensuring robust protection, this kit is ideal. What people say. Light pedal feel, smooth engagement and no more Chewbacca dual-max flywheel chatter. The flywheel is approximately 2 pounds lighter than stock. Car remains very drivable but does feel just a bit more agile. 8 months of use and it's holding up like a champ. I drive about 2,500 to 3,000 miles a month with half of it highway and the other half in hilly city. I'm not feeling any wear and tear and it is performing great. Number 2. Valeo Service 52001201 OE Replacement Clutch Kit. Experience exceptional operation and reliability with this clutch kit. It's engineered using only the highest quality components and the latest technology. Featuring premium friction material, it offers better heat dissipation. This prevents premature failure and ensures increased durability. Enjoy consistent comfort thanks to enhanced damper technology. It improves the filtration of noise, vibration, and harshness. The kit includes everything you need: a clutch disc, pressure plate, release bearing, and an alignment tool for easy installation. Trusted by major vehicle manufacturers and industry professionals worldwide, it delivers uncompromising performance and quality. What we like. This clutch kit is engineered with premium friction material for enhanced durability and better heat dissipation. It also features advanced damper technology for a quieter, smoother ride. If you prioritize a reliable OE replacement that maintains original comfort and reduces noise and vibration, this kit is a great option. What people say. The product is made very well. The parts were exactly what I ordered and worked great. Good as OEM. The pilot centering tool was one of the better ones for a Mini Cooper clutch kit. Number 1. Valeo 832228 Premium Clutch Kit. Experience exceptional precision and reliability with our premium clutch kits. They are engineered using the highest quality components and the latest technology. Featuring premium friction material, these kits offer superior resistance to high heat and enhanced durability for long-lasting performance. Achieve maximum torque transfer for optimal performance. This ensures your vehicle operates at its peak efficiency. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a clutch disc, clutch cover, and release bearing. Trust in our commitment to quality. Each component is designed for a perfect fit and reliable operation. Upgrade your driving experience with a clutch kit that delivers on performance and longevity. It's the reliable choice for your vehicle. What we like. This premium clutch kit is an upgraded replacement, built with high-quality components for exceptional precision and reliability. It boasts premium friction material for superior heat resistance and durability, along with maximum torque transfer for performance. If you're looking for enhanced performance and durability beyond a standard replacement, this kit is for you. What people say. Works perfect on a Mini Cooper R56 JCW. No more clutch slipping. Pictures show 2 versions of clutch plate, fixed and sprung. What you get is a fixed, rigid, clutch plate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.